You're broke, I get it. Your wallet is emptier than my fridge on a Monday, but guess what? AI is out here printing money faster than the government. And you're still sitting there, contemplating life's bad decisions? Well, not anymore. Because today, I'm about to expose the most insane ways to make money with AI, right now. And no, you don't need a Harvard degree or a billion-dollar startup. Just a little bit of Wi-Fi and some questionable decision-making skills. Let's go! First up, YouTube automation. AI can literally run a faceless YouTube channel for you. Think of it as a money printer, but legal. You just grab an AI voice, an AI video generator, and boom, you've got a content factory that doesn't need sleep or therapy. Use ChatGPT to write scripts, duh. Use 11 Labs or Play8T for AI voiceovers, because why talk when AI can do it better? Use Pika Labs or Runway AI for visuals, so you never have to film anything, ever. Slap some fast editing, add dramatic zoom-ins, and bang, you've got content. People are literally making $10,000 plus a month with AI-generated YouTube channels while you're out here watching cat videos. Priorities, my friend, priorities. You ever see those AI artists charging $50 for an AI-generated portrait and wonder, wait, why am I not doing this? Exactly. Go to Midjourney or DALL-E, aka the AI that paints better than Picasso on steroids. Generate insane, trippy, or hyper-realistic images. Slap a watermark on it and throw it on Etsy, Redbubble, or even Fiverr. Call it custom AI-generated art and watch people throw money at you. Congratulations, you just became a digital artist without ever touching a paintbrush. Van Gogh could never... Listen up. If you can type "make me sound smart" into ChatGPT, you can start a copywriting business. No, really. Offer services on Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn for blog posts, sales pages, or ad copy. Let ChatGPT do 90% of the work while you pretend to be a literary genius. Charge clients $50 to $500 per gig and profit. Meanwhile, real writers are out here crying in the shower. Sorry, Hemingway, AI just took your job. Why break your brain thinking of the next $1 million startup when AI can do it for you? Use ChatGPT or Claude to generate business ideas. Use Namelix to create a fire business name. Use Midjourney for branding and logos. Use Tome or Canva AI to pitch investors like a pro. Boom! You just launched a startup in 10 minutes while Mark Zuckerberg was still putting on sunscreen. Still not convinced? Fine. Here's a rapid-fire round of AI side hustles that are so easy even your grandma could do them. AI voice cloning, sell AI-generated voices for YouTubers or brands. AI-powered chatbots. Create and sell chatbots for businesses, lazy customer service, $$. AI-powered SEO services, use AI to boost website rankings and get paid. AI-powered trading bots, let AI make or lose money for you. Meanwhile, some people are still manually writing emails like it's 2010. Embarrassing. And that, my friends, is how AI is making people rich while you're still debating what to eat for lunch. If you don't start at least one of these today, I'll personally send AI to roast you in your sleep. Comment AI money if you're ready to get paid. Smash that like button, subscribe for more crazy money hacks, and I'll see you in the next video.